Today is teach you the wide pattern tool. It is used to cut pattern along assistant line. Left-click on assistant line to the wide pattern. Have more functional options on tool info bar. Check it will keep the original pattern. Check it and the pattern will add seam. There are two ways. Select it to auto add seam. Select it to customize add seam. Select it to cut with base size. Don't select it. Cut with pattern grading. Select it to auto set new pattern name. Don't select it. Custom pattern name. Thanks for watching.